Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the exact Huawei model and current firmware version so you download the correct image. Connect your PC by Ethernet to avoid interruptions. Wireless can drop during an update. Once connected, log into the admin interface using the router IP and your credentials, then export a configuration backup to your computer. This protects network settings and saves time if you need to restore. Make sure to keep power steady. A power loss during update can brick the device. You now download the exact firmware file for your hardware revision and verify the file name and checksum when provided. Once ready, open the router system or maintenance firmware upgrade page and use the upload control to select the file. Confirm any prompts and start the upload. The GUI often shows a progress bar. During this phase, do not refresh the page, close the browser, or power cycle the router. Those actions risk corrupting firmware. If the web UI times out, try a different browser or clear. Once the upload finishes, the router will reboot and apply the new firmware. You need to wait patiently for 5 to 10 minutes while services restart. After it comes back, log in and verify the firmware version matches the file you installed, then test WAN and Wi-Fi connectivity. If settings were reset, re-import your saved configuration or reconfigure manually. If the update failed and the router is unresponsive, use the manufacturer's recovery procedure, often a TFTP restore or recovery mode button.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.